Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to show you how to start an eBay business with no money. Starting with no money. If you don't have any money to start or invest into an eBay business, that's fine, because you don't need any money to start one. It doesn't cost anything to set up the accounts, so the first thing you need to do is set up an eBay and PayPal account. If you're under 18 and can't legally make the accounts, you could ask your parents or guardian to set one up in their name, or ask if you can use it, or ask if you can use an existing one they might already have set up. What to sell? To start up with no money, you obviously can't buy any products to sell, so what's the best thing to do? To start off, a great way to start earning money is to ask people like family and friends if they want anything selling that they might have laying around. Lots of people will want you to sell their items that they have. Lots of people just don't have time to sell them and don't use them anymore, so they'll be willing to give you a few pounds for clearing out their unwanted items, and they will make money from the price it sells for. How will it work? Agree with the person you're selling the product for how much commission you get, usually a percentage of the selling price. You can either take the item back to your house or take photos of the item where it's located, and then list it on eBay, and I would recommend making the buyer pay for the postage, so look on the postage service website to find a postage cost. When it sells, go and get the item and package it safely and then post it. Make sure that you keep money for the fees that eBay and PayPal take, as eBay invoices them every month, and then you give the person you sold the product for the money that they made after the fees, postage, and after you've taken your cut. What next? Try and do this as many times as you can, because the more money you make, the better it is. Now, once you've made enough money, you can reinvest it into your eBay business and buy products to resell on eBay. Watch my video on what products to sell, the link will be in the description. You can either stop selling items for other people and just buy and resell items all the time, but you could do both as long as you have people that want their things selling. And this would be good because it does take work, but the more money you make, the better, and the more money you have to buy new things to sell. So thank you for watching. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I hope you get some value from it and start selling and making money with your eBay business. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like, comment any feedback or questions you have, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching everyone.